Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. First, ensure you have Dehancer installed as an open FX plugin. Once installed, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the color page. Dehancer provides an incredible array of film emulation tools, allowing you to transform your digital footage into stunning, authentic filmic images. We'll cover everything from initial setup to fine-tuning your final look, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful plugin. To apply Dehancer, head to the color page and find the Open FX panel. Simply drag the Dehancer effect onto a new serial node in your node tree. The first step is choosing your desired film profile from the drop-down menu, perhaps a classic like Codec Vision 3200T. Then, experiment with the print and analog range sliders to set your base exposure and contrast, aiming for a natural, film-like starting point before diving into more detailed adjustments. Now, let's explore Dehancer's advanced controls. Adjust halation and bloom to replicate the beautiful light scattering seen in film, often around bright highlights. The film grain section offers precise control over grain size, amount, and type, adding authentic texture. Don't forget to experiment with Color Head and Film Developer for subtle yet impactful color shifts. Finally, consider adding a touch of vignette or gate weave for those extra filmic imperfections, enhancing realism. For best results, position the Dehancer effect as the very last node in your color grading tree, just before any output transforms. This ensures all your other adjustments are processed before the film emulation is applied. Always monitor your scopes to maintain proper exposure and color, keeping your image within broadcast-safe limits. When exporting, choose a high-quality codec, such as ProRes 422 or DNxHR HQX, to preserve all the beautiful filmic details Dehancer has added to your footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.